Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a tricky problem involving C++ code. In the code snippet provided, we have two structs, D1 and D2, which have the same data members. However, the size of the objects created from these structs is different, leading to a static assertion failure. Quite a head-scratching problem, isn't it? In terms of the solution, it all comes down to an arbitrary ABI choice made for compatibility with C. The Itanium C++ ABI, followed by compilers like GCC and Clang, treats B2 as a plain old data, POD, for layout purposes, while B1 is not considered as such. This distinction is crucial because it impacts how tail padding is handled in the objects. D1 utilizes tail padding from B1 to fit the Z member, whereas D2 leaves the padding unused, leading to a larger object size and the assertion failure. To sum it up, the difference in object sizes between D1 and D2 in the provided C++ code stems from how the compilers handle POD for layout purposes. This choice ensures compatibility with C and dictates how padding is allocated within objects. Understanding these nuances is key to resolving similar issues in your own code. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any coding problems you'd like to see covered in future videos. Happy coding!